Imagine receiving an unexpected inheritance of $100,000. What would you do with that money? Let's take a moment to ponder on that. For many, the first instinct might be to splurge on luxury items, a dream vacation, or a flashy new car. That's the thrill of sudden wealth, right? But others might lean towards paying off debts or investing in stocks or real estate. See, how you react to an unexpected windfall says a lot about your financial mindset. It's a test of your ability to plan and make informed financial decisions. Whether it's a lavish shopping spree or a sensible investment, every choice has its own potential outcome. But here's the hard truth. Without a clear plan, that windfall might just evaporate before you know it. So let's delve into the heart of the matter. What's the secret to managing money wisely? Stay tuned as we unfold the mystery of mastering personal finance. Financial wellness isn't just about having money. It's about understanding how to manage it and make it work for you. It's about establishing a healthy financial ecosystem that supports your lifestyle and helps you achieve your dreams. The first component of this ecosystem is income. It's the fuel that keeps your financial engine running. Whether it's from a job, a business, or other sources, income provides the resources you need to cover your daily expenses and to invest in your future. But remember, it's not just about how much you earn, but also how consistently you earn it. This brings us to the second component, savings. Think of savings as your financial safety net. It's the portion of your income that you set aside for unexpected expenses or for future needs. Effective savings isn't just about setting money aside, though. It's also about cultivating good habits such as budgeting and living within your means. The third component is investments. If income is the fuel and savings are the safety net, then investments are the vehicle that drives you towards your financial goals. Investments can take many forms: stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a small business. The key to successful investing is understanding your risk tolerance and diversifying your portfolio. Each of these components, income, savings, and investments, play a vital role in your financial wellness. They interact, they balance each other out, and they work together to create a robust financial ecosystem. For instance, a steady income allows you to save and invest, while your savings provide a cushion for periods of low income. Your investments, in turn, can generate additional income, contributing to your financial growth. By understanding these components, you can master your personal finance and ensure your unexpected windfall doesn't go to waste. It's like putting together a puzzle. Each piece has its place, and when they all fit together, you get a clear picture of your financial wellness. So remember, it's not just about having money, it's about making money work for you. But why do we often make poor financial decisions even when we know what's best? Let's dive into the psychology of money to find out. You see, our emotions and cognitive biases often play a significant role in influencing our financial decisions. For instance, consider the thrill of impulse buying. We've all experienced that rush of excitement when buying something on a whim. But what drives this behavior? It's largely our brain's reward system, craving that immediate gratification. Or let's talk about those get-rich-quick schemes. They're enticing, aren't they? The promise of easy money is hard to resist. However, this is often a manifestation of optimism bias, where we overestimate the likelihood of positive outcomes and underestimate the risks. Our minds can play tricks on us, leading us down a path of financial instability. But don't despair, there's good news. Being aware of these psychological traps can help you make better financial decisions. Now, here's a challenge for you. For the next 30 days, let's embark on a journey to elevate our financial wellness. Begin by tracking every single expense. You'll be surprised at where your money goes. Next, set a budget. Allocate your funds wisely. And finally, if you can, start an investment. Even a small one can make a big difference in the long run. It's all about becoming more aware and intentional with your money. Take this challenge and see how it can transform your financial wellness. Mastering personal finance isn't easy, but with these tips, you're on the right track. We've talked about the unexpected windfall and the importance of planning. We've delved into the components of financial wellness and the psychological influences on our monetary decisions. We've even thrown a challenge your way to improve your financial habits. Remember, financial wellness is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep improving, and you'll see the results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your personal finance. Until next time.